The eccentric geocentrist. Pure realm explanation of the 24-hour light phenomenon. 1. When does it happen? Happens during specific etheric breathing cycles, only during the realm's southern energy outward breath season, the phase when field currents spiral outward and compress toward the edges. The node energy rises strongest during this season, reaching the dome hard enough to create stable plasma excitation for extended periods. This season corresponds to their Antarctic summer, but it's really just a peak of etheric outward flow hitting the dome in those regions. 1. Etheric pressure drop with height, CPP. Pa, F0 and XK at H, where Pa is the etheric pressure at height H, P0 is the ground level etheric pressure. K is the decay constant, how quickly pressure decreases with height. Expex means exponential function, e to the power of k and h. 2. How does it appear? From the land near the node, the many Antarcticas, you see a low horizon circular drifting light. The light does not rise and set like a true sun body. It circles slowly around the observer because the local electromagnetic pressure rotates along the energetic spiral of the field lines at that point. The sun effect is off-center and lower than it would be if it were a distant orb millions of miles away. 2. Node resonance condition, standing wave Python. When lambda equal to 2 nh, where n is a whole number harmonic mode. Lambda is the wavelength of the standing wave. H is the distance from ground to dome at the node. 3. Why is the elevation wrong? The node plasmasphere is local, tens or hundreds of miles above, not millions. Since it's close, it doesn't follow perfect overhead arcs. The dome curvature and field pressure hold the luminous focus lower, causing a shallow horizon circling glow instead of overhead passage. Simple optical law. U03B8 angle of appearance is determined by observer position relative to dome and node focus, not distance to a ball. 3. Energy density at node core. INI. E equal to 1/2 epsilon 0 EF. Where E is the energy density. Epsilon 0 is the permittivity of the etheric medium. EF is the electric field strength caused by the rising aether. 4. What is the mechanism in etheric science? Upward etheric surge at the node location. Dome layer ionizes at point of focus. Ionization creates stable luminous plasma, same kind of plasma as seen in neon signs, auroras, and electric discharges, but vast, calm, self-sustained. The plasma resonates at specific frequency bands depending on field intensity. Math side. Plasma glow intensity is proportional to energy density of the ether at node center. 2, i.e. 2. Intensity is proportional to the square of the electric field strength. Spiral path curvature depends on magnetic tension and etheric gradient slope under the dome. 4. Light intensity from node. CSS. I proportional to EF 2, meaning I the light intensity is proportional to the square of the electric field strength, EF. 5. The realm view summary of the 24-hour node light. Aspect real cause. Timing seasonal etheric outward breathing. Source localized field-induced plasma node. Appearance low, slow, horizon circling light. Elevation error node is local, not far distant. Continuous light stable aether pressure under dome. Rotation field line spiral, not ball orbit. Short powerful final answer. The 24-hour sun at many Antarcticas is a breathing plasma node formed by seasonal outward surging ether currents, focused against the dome, glowing at a low altitude, spiraling slowly by field dynamics, creating constant local daylight without any globe sorcery. TheEccentricGeocentrist.com